Are you a non-tech background student or a tech student who want to learn SQL but are confused where to learn? So don't worry, I got you. Watch till the end of this video and I will be sharing where you can start learning SQL as a beginner. Hi, I'm Trinath and I come from a non-tech background. So when I started to learn SQL, I went through different kind of steps and like plenty of resources. So, but I wasted my time in all of those resources, which I thought that was useful, but those weren't useful. So when you're starting with like self-study, the main problem is like there is no systematic roadmap where you can learn. So as a beginner, as a self-study student, what I will insist to you is that you don't have to rely on one content, and also you don't have to rely on all of the content, but you have to do some homework and like you have to recognize yourself that what resources is useful to you and what isn't important to you. So in that case, I am here to help you. Like I have gathered most of the resources that will be useful for you as a beginner to learn SQL. So when we are learning SQL, okay, there are two types of resources that we can clearly see in nowadays. Like one is video content, another one is text content. So coming to the video content, okay, we most prefer YouTube video, and I think that is sufficient. So I have went through many YouTube videos learning SQL, and I thought that I have wasted so much time getting the perfect one. But ultimately, I found one creator whose content is very crispy and very to the point. Okay, so his name is Alex. Okay, his channel name is Alex the Analyst, and I have put his channel link in the description. You can go check it out, check out him. Okay, he teaches Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, everything about data analyst. What I have done for you is that I have gathered the four videos of Alex and I have created a playlist in my channel. Okay, whose link is also in the description, and you can find that content in the playlist section of my YouTube channel. You can go through it. So our next way is the text content. So after watching the video content, I think the video content is not much more than 15 minutes. Okay. So what I think is that you need to focus on a text content. Okay. That might be a book or a blog or website. Okay. In that case, I got help. Like there are two websites I got. mm Pretty good text content. What is one is tutorial teacher, another one is W3 school. In context of beginner, there is a lot of things in the text content. So what I suggest is that whenever you go through the YouTube video, okay, suppose you have learned the where statement. So what you can do is you can go to the where statement chapter in the text content and you have to go through that uh, text. Okay, so once you have got the basic knowledge about it, so now it is the most crucial step that you gonna do. So congratulations, you got most of the theoretical part of beginner SQL. Okay, so what now? If you are not applying this in anywhere, so you most probably are gonna forget it. Okay, so the best thing is that you can do some project on that content that you have learned as a beginner SQL. So for that way, what I suggest is that I have a project, okay, in my YouTube channel also, in that playlist also. So you can go through it and you can practice what you have learned as a beginner. Thank you for watching this video, and I think this will be very helpful to you. And if you liked it, please click the like button and click the subscribe button down there. So thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.